Guys, welcome to Edu Success 2 Cross. So today we will see about source transformation. We will see how to transform the voltage source into current source, and we will also see about the practical sources and ideal sources. So let's begin with today's session. Let's start with the source transformation. So here what we will do, we will transform the voltage source into current source and current source into voltage source. So we will see the relation between them. So first of all, let us see what is ideal voltage source and what is practical voltage source. So first of all, let's see what is practical voltage source. So practical voltage source is a voltage source that is having a source, voltage source and in series with the internal resistance that is Rn. So this will be called as a practical voltage source means it is having a finite resistance value. And what is ideal voltage source? Ideal voltage source is a source that is having its internal resistance to be zero. So now this practical voltage source can be converted into ideal voltage source by substituting the Rn is equals to zero. So this circuit can be made in or converted into ideal voltage source in this manner. Now Rn has been substituted to zero. So this is ideal voltage source and this is, let's see about a practical current source. So practical current source. So what is practical current source? It is having a current source in parallel with the internal resistance. This is the practical current source. And what is ideal current source? Ideal current source is a current source that is having its internal resistance to be infinite. So now when we will substitute this Rn value in this circuit, so it will be converted into ideal current source. So substitute Rn is equals to infinite in the circuit, we will get here open circuit. So this is the ideal current source circuit and this is the practical current source circuit. Form the practical voltage source into practical current source and vice versa. So let's see its derivation or relation between these two. So let's consider the circuit of a practical voltage source. Here we are having a voltage source of a value V and we are having internal resistance. Its value is RV and the current that is flowing here is ILV. And let us suppose here the resistance is connected. We are not showing here, but we are supposing here resistance is connected of RL value. And this is the practical voltage source. Now let's make a practical current source. So here we will have a current source of value I. Here we are having a parallel resistance that is internal resistance of this current source. And there is a terminal X and Y and current that is flowing out of this is ILI. So let's first of all calculate the current ILV in first case. So ILV in first case will be given as V upon RV plus RL. RL is a load resistance that is connected across this two terminal XY. In the similar manner, let's calculate ILI. So here we will apply the current divisor rule. So that will be equal to I into Ri upon Ri plus RL. So these two value we have obtained. So now two sources to become identical. We have to make these two current values equal. So here we will have V upon RV plus RL is equals to I into Ri upon Ri plus RL. So here we can see these two current, we have for making these two sources identical, we have taken ILV is equals to ILI, and we have obtained this relation. See here the voltage for this current source, practical current source, the voltage across this terminal XY is equals to V is equals to I into RI. So here we will get V is equals to I into Ri for this current source, and now we will substitute this value in the equation that we obtained by equating those two current equal. So here we obtained that equation was V upon Rv plus RL is equals to I into Ri upon Ri plus RL. So now we will substitute the value of V is equals to I into Ri in this equation. So we will get here I into Ri upon Rv plus RL is equals to I into Ri upon Ri plus RL. So now these two will be cancelled. So we will get here Rv plus RL is equals to Ri plus RL. Again this RL will be cancelled out. So Rv is equals to Ri. So here we can see when we will transform the voltage source into current source, or current source into voltage source, the resistance that we will take in series or parallel for those two sources will be same. That is RV, resistance for current source, is equals to resistance for voltage source. So for any practical voltage source, if the ideal voltage source be V and internal resistance is RV, so the voltage source can be replaced by a current source I with the internal resistance in parallel to the current source. So now suppose we are having this voltage source, and here we are having a resistance R. So this voltage source can be converted into current source. Here we will have a current I that is equals to V upon R, and here we will have a resistance, and this resistance value is equals to R. So in this way we will perform the source transformation. Thank you guys. Hope you all like the session. Please like, share and subscribe and press the bell icon. Goodbye guys.